I am Dev, again Government High School, Devathkal, Taluk Jilla here. I would like to express my gratitude towards Mr. Shashidhar who came over here to give the training for our science as well as maths teacher in our mini science center. Really, these science apparatus and very useful not only for our teachers but also our students, and these things are very easy to understand the real usage in day-to-day life. And our Shashidhar sir explained everything elaborately. Our teachers are very happy regarding this trainer. So I am always thankful to Mr. Shashidhar sir for coming over here to give our teachers training systematically and elaborately. And one more thing, and he explained in a detailed manner everything with practical. I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart HMT Limited sponsor as well as our Honorable DC man as well as for giving us mini science center to our school. Thank you.